Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So Scott Petrov has recently updated Mesh2Motion version 10. And Mesh2Motion is a web-based tool that allows you animate animals, monsters, and human characters pretty easy. This tool runs on the web, it is free and open source for anyone that would like to work with it. And for those who like to get started, you can simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here where you'll be able to explore it. And so once you open up the website, all you need to do is to click on Launch Application. And yes, we've already talked about this before, but version 10 now comes with more stuff. The first things you would notice is we now have 124 animations, which is quite a lot compared to the ones that we had before. So from hand jabs all the way to planting seeds, down to watering, driving loop, dizzy characters, high chest, being knocked back, idle shield, and so much more. So whether you're thinking to make your characters jog forward, or maybe you like them to do some jumping jacks, or possibly get them to throw some very nice fighting hooks, or do some ninja jumping, this tool is now available. And the best part, if you like to download any of these are totally free for you to download. So to download any of them is this simple. Say for example, we like to download any of these, all we need to do is to click on the checkbox to have them selected, and we can simply go ahead and download. At the same time, you can choose to preview them before you choose to download them. So we can have these ones selected and hit the download button to download them. Of course, you can also upload the GLB animations to this if you want. And of course, if you also like to show the skeletons, you can also do that from here. If you'd like to search for animations, you can search from here, which is pretty nice. Now, this doesn't only cater to human characters. You've also got the fox, and the fox comes with 14 animations now. We've got the bird, and the bird comes with 5 animations. We've got the dragon comes with 5 animations. This is pretty new. The kaiju is also available and this comes with 10 animations. The spider is also pretty new, I believe, and this comes with 10 animations, and the snake comes with 8 animations. And again, all of these animations are totally free and you can work with them. So the cool thing with this is that if you're looking for animations for a slithery-like character, which might be a snake, or you're looking for an animation for things like the spider, a kaiju, a dragon, which is a creature with 4 legs and wings, then you have that. Then if you're looking for bird, fox, and ultimately a human character, you do have motions for this. Of course, you can download these and retarget them to your characters. However, if you like to use your very own model, you can. So if we go over to use your model section, you can choose to upload your very own model. So in this case, we do have a model that we downloaded off Mixamo. We're simply going to click on that, click on open, and load that model in. Of course, you can use any model of choice, but Mixamo seems to be a good choice at this point. So once we have this one here, we can simply go ahead, have that selected, reset the position if we want, auto align this to the floor, select the skeleton that best fits what model that we're working on. In this case, it's the human one, and you can see how much that is. We can drop the scale to just perfectly fit this, and then we can choose to edit the skeleton. Now, these will give us options of just positioning one part, and it's going to go ahead and position the rest of it. And once we have this ready, we can now proceed to click on finish. And once you click on finish, automatically you start seeing the animation playing back. And of course, if there are motions that you like this to have, you can go ahead and take a look at them. Now, of course, there are certain parts of this that doesn't seem perfect, like in cases like the right hand. I think better work can be done, but for demonstration purposes, that looks pretty nice. So we can choose to have all of these, select the motion that we want, apply the motion that we want on our character. And once we're ready with it, we can actually go ahead, click the motion that we'd like to download, and download this. On the other hand, if you do have a rigged model, you can actually use this to retarget the model right here. We can use these to do retargeting. So I can select the head and place that right there, and you can see that automatically it retargets that. If we go all the way down, we can look for the hip. In this case, it's going to be the pelvis, and we're going to retarget that to the hip, and we can do that for the rest of the model as well. Or you can simply click on auto map to automatically map these things for you. And so once you have this sorted, you can click on continue. And once you have that sorted, you can now simply go ahead, have some motions selected, and download them. Now in this case, this doesn't seem to be downloading, but for the most part, if you just want to download this, you can simply come through and download them from here. And of course, if we like to bring this into Blender, we can simply drag and drop this into Blender, and we're simply going to go ahead and import the GLTF file. And once we bring this in and we zoom in and we press the playback button, you can see that we have our animation playing back. So just in case you're thinking about retargeting this right here inside of Blender, of course you can. So you do have this beautiful tool which you can use to do stuff. And it's quite interesting to see that we have all of these animations now here, And at the same time, we have these new models, the new rigs, and their animations available to creators. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at Mesh2Motion, this is an amazing tool that is now available that you can start working with. Version 10 has been released and this now comes with more stuff than the previous one, and it is pretty interesting what the creator is putting together. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.